So what inspired us is, frankly, car repair is a terrible experience. Whether it's mechanical, collision, glass, it doesn't really matter. It's stuck in 1985. And so we wanted to modernize this industry. A personal example, I bought a car several years ago. I took it to the mechanic. They told me I needed new tires, and I didn't trust what he was telling me. And so I took it home, I looked myself, and I absolutely needed new tires, and I shouldn't have been driving that car. And so we started ServiceUp to build that trust in the process, but also modernize and bring convenience. And so what we do for all of our customers, whether it's consumers or fleets, is we pick up and drop off the vehicle. Think of it as a DoorDash for car repair. You put in the request, we come to your lot, we pick up the vehicle, take it to our shop to be repaired, and we bring it right back to you. And so you have that convenience of not having to transport the car. Additionally, we provide transparency in all of our quotes. We tell you what you need and what you may need in the future, but don't have to do right now. And then the third piece is cycle times. Parts have been massively backordered over the last few years. Shops are getting completely backed up. And so when you're sole source to a shop, you're gonna struggle. We've been able to, through our network of shops, reduce cycle times by anywhere from 30 to 40% for our fleet customers so that they can get those vehicles back in circulation and drive in revenue for the company.